guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing fine. My name is Betty for those who are new to this channel, and today's video, guys, I know you have already seen from the title. Yes, I bought new bed, new mattresses from Dr. Mattresses, and I also bought new couch, which I'm going to show you shortly.
How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. 'Cause you're in my head. You are. 'Cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my love that I've been craving.
These are kids mattresses that I bought. They come complete like this, and they are very good, not only for kids but also for adults.
Are we back?
I decided to put 2 beds in this room. I don't want to separate my 2 small kids. I want them to be in the same room. Even they complained the time I was showing them where they'll be sleeping, and they said they can't sleep alone, so I want them to be in the same room.
Can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. 'Cause you're in my head. You are. 'Cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. 'Cause you're in my
Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing fine. It's yet another day, and today, guys, I want to clean my house. And as you can see, my couch is here. I want to unwrap it, and so that I can be able to clean. And it's a 8-seater. I have three there, and a 2 wing chair here, which I'm going to show you right now. So let me unwrap, then I'll talk to you later. Wing chair also have this color. That is why they decided to match for me this black and white, which I also love it so much. And also they did this is black plain. This is a black and a gold. Yeah, so let me unwrap it, then we clean. This couch, I bought it at Roysambu. I just went and told them what I wanted, and they delivered what I wanted. It's very, very nice. I even love the fabric, which I'm going to show you right now. So as we are cleaning, I'll show you the fabric. It's very, very nice. I love it so much.
I like everything about about you.
But you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. Ain't no man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing the weight of you, the weight of you, of my shoulder. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away to you, the weight to you, the weight to you. Don't need a no man. Tell me you're no good. I'm brushing the weight of you, the weight of you, of my shoulder. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing the weight of you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no man.
Okay guys, I'm done arranging, and this is how my house is looking right now. And I love especially how those color blended nicely. And this is the armchair that I was talking about. See how nice they are. And also this is the fabric I was talking about. They tried to match with the pillow there, so I decided to put also the black and white in the middle of the couch. And I love everything. Now my house is just simple right now. This is the carpet that I had in the other house, but I think I'll have to buy another carpet because this is too small for this place. I thought itaingia mpaka huko chini, but I think but ni kidogo, so I'll have to buy another one, and maybe this one I'll take to kids bedroom or in my bedroom. But I also think in my bedroom it's not going to work because it's too small for the rooms. And let me show you the fabric of this couch. This is the fabric that I was talking about. See how nicely it is. Very, very nice. I also love it. And so guys, that is it for this living room. Nothing much I have done. I haven't even bought the TV, but I think I'm going to come with the TV that I had in the other house. So atujahama ile kabisa, but yeah. So let me show you from this angle. Yeah, that is the living area. The brush pink in a match na that couch, so I'm so happy for that because I love this pink. So that is my house right now. The armchair, yeah, they're looking nice. Wow, I love them. So guys, that is it for this room. So yeah, let's head to the bedroom, then we call it a day.
Feels heavy on your chest. I wish I could carry the weight all on my back.